This sketch list video explains how to apply a crown and mitered ends onto your board. You can add a new project or open an existing design. For our purpose, we will create a new project. Click on the Start New Project button, and when the form opens, provide a name and the size of the project. In our case, the name is Molding. The height is 6, the width is 48, and the depth is 24 inches. The project opens with the default assembly in place. You can click the main sketch list menu named Materials. It is at the top of the screen. Or you can click Select Materials on the new board form. Enter the name and the sizes of the material. Be sure to indicate the grain direction of that material. That's important in determining the surface and the edge. Having the correct size material for the board is critical. Inserting the board is like any other new board insertion. The key difference is that you always select height as the thickness of the board. This assures the front is an edge and the top is a surface. This is important since we apply the contour to the front and shape the top or surface. When you create molding boards for the sides, the depth is no longer 2 inches. Looking from the front of the assembly, the depth is almost always longer. Once the board is inserted, go to the board detail level. You can either double-click the board or click the detail button on the lower right of the screen. When you select the board, the front edge is green and the top surface is blue. Click on the top surface to select it for the shaping step. To shape the boards, for the miter cuts, select the top or blue surface of the bore while at the board detail level. Shaping is allowed only on the surface of boards. Then click the Shape button at the lower right corner of the screen. A two-dimension image is displayed with dots on the 4 corners. Click the top right dot to select it. Go to the grid and set the left value to 46. That is 48 inches with -2 for board thickness. Click the top left dot and change its value to 2. You will see 45-degree cuts on both ends of the board. Select the front of the board at the board detail level. On the lower right corner, click the Contour button. Next, select Cove from the choices of contour types. You can have the contour over the whole board length or choose to limit it. Enter the radius of the contour and select if the cove faces either the top or bottom of the board. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to place a miter and contour on a board. You can find more information and sign up for a free trial at www.sketchlist.com. If you have other questions, please contact us.